hindi pa kayo sarado for running for a higher office. Kahit medyo mas nagiging reluctant kayo ngayon kumpara nung nag-open kayo.
Siguro trabaho na lang muna, di ba? It's never closed, but I want to complete my work. I want to do a great job.
Hindi nyo ba ina-aspire na bumalik as governor ng Cavite?
That's my dream. Kung papayagan na ako, babalik ako as governor. Ayun naman, pinangarap ko buong buhay ko eh. Was to follow the footsteps of to escape from the shadows of a very great man. My father is still regarded as the gold standard of governors in Cavite. And my dream has always been to bring Cavite to the next steps. And I think my work is incomplete. And I'm still considering coming back. Babalik pa rin ako. Kung tatanggapin pa rin nila ako.
So, kamusta naman ang inyong family life, love life? No? Are you happily married, happily father, happily everything?
I'm very proud. My son just had his grad ball sa Ateneo High School nung Sunday. Na Sunday lang. So, class ko na to. 9 years, 2008 siya pinanganak. So, I hope he graduates in 4 years. Diba? Tapos na kami. Tapos na kami mag-asawa. She's a doctor. My wife's a doctor sa Asian Hospital. And initin na namin matapos. Ayun ang pangarap natin eh. Diba? Mapatapos mo lahat. Diba? Mapatapos lang lahat.